dear second class children, welcome to maths class. Already I started first chapter numbers up to 200. Yes or no? I give you learn 2 to 5 tables. Are you practice multiplication tables? And 101 to 200 numbers also I given in the previous class. I think you all are practiced. Okay Nana? Now continuation of class work. Before going to today's class, I am going to revise whatever I teach you in the previous classes. Okay Nana? See, numbers up to 200 means 100 to 200. 100 to 200 means 1 to 9 are 1 digit numbers. 10 to 99 are 2 digit numbers. 100 to here due to up to 200. Those are 3 digit numbers. 1 digit numbers, 2 digit numbers, 3 digit numbers. In this chapter, I tell you some concepts. Those are number names, numbers, face value, expanded form, short form, predecessor, successor. Number name, write in words. Yes or no? Number. The given number is in words. We see that words and write the numeral. Face value, place value, expanded form, we separate the given number, hundreds, tens and ones. Short form, we put together the number. Predecessor. Predecessor means the number which comes just before the given number. Successor, the number which comes just after the given number. Okay na? These all I tell you in the previous classes. Before going to next, I am going to once revise those. Okay Nana? Come on, see. Read the number Nana. Yes, 178. 178. Now we are going to write the number name first of this number. See. ONE 1, HUNDRED, 100. Put together 78, SEVENTY, 70, EIGHT, 78. This is the number name of the given number. Start with hundreds and put together tens and ones. Okay, now another one. See, ONE 1, HUNDRED, 100, THIR, 30, SIN 6. Now write the numeral. Write the number. 100. Start with 100 means the given number name is belongs to 3 digit number. Then we keep 3 places. Hundreds, tens, ones. Okay. Now 100. 1 write in the hundreds place. 36. 30. 3 tens. 6 ones. This is the number name of given number name. Next one. 164. Now I show you expanded form of the given number. Put the places ones, tens, hundreds. Start with hundreds. 1 is in the hundreds place. We are going to write in words and number. Any one you have to practice in words or number. Here the place value of 1 is 100. 100 plus 6 is in the tens place. 6 tens plus 4 is in the ones place. 4 ones. This is the expanded form of in words. Now how to write in number? 100 plus 6 tens 60 plus 4 64. This is the expanded form of 164. Now I show you how to write short form. How to write short form of the given number. Short form means write the number only. Write the number only. Can I show you? Wait, I show you how to write short form. Very easy Nana, short form. 100 plus 20 plus 8. What is it Nana? Very good. Expanded form. Now write short form of this number. 120 plus 8. Put the places hundreds, tens, ones. Write only 1 in the hundreds place. 20, 2 write in the tens place. 8 write in the ones place. This is the short form of given expanded form. Okay. Next one. What is the predecessor? What is the successor? 112. Write the predecessor of predecessor. Predecessor of 112. Predecessor means the number just before 112. That is going to tell me. Very good. 111. Very good. Okay. Next one. Successor of. See. successor. Successor of 167. That means write the number which comes after the given number or number plus 1. Here number minus 1. Here number plus 1. Just you have to keep in your mind what comes after the given number. 168. 168. Very good. 167 after 168. Successor after number, predecessor before number. Okay. I forgot to tell you face value, place value. That one also I show you now. Listen, and all of you listen carefully. Very easy. Maths is very easy subject and very interesting. Now see, I am going to show you next concept. What is the given number? Yes, 136. Ones, tens, 100. First write face value. Face value. Next we are going to write place value. Face value, place value. Face value, place value. Face value means we write the same number, does not change. We write the number itself only, start from hundreds. The face value of 1 is 1 only. The face value of 3 is 3 only. The face value of 6 is 6 only. Now go to place value. Place value depending upon the place. The given digit is in which place. See here, 1 is in the hundreds place. Then the value of 1 is 100 in number. 3 is in the tens place. The value of 3 is 30. 6 is in the ones place. The value of 6 is 6. Okay. 136. We got the same number. This is going to in number. When if you are writing in words, you have to write like this. 100. The place value of 1 is 100. The place value of 3 is 3 tens. The place value of 6 is 6 ones. You have to practice any one in number or words. Both are correct. This is called face value, place value. Now today I am going to teach you comparison of numbers. Comparison, number comparison. In the same chapter, number comparison or comparison of numbers. Comparison means which number is big, which number is small. Already you learned in first class and second class. Those are greater than symbol, less than symbol, equal to. Greater than symbol, less than symbol, equal to. Those symbols we are going to using for comparison of numbers. See, greater than, less than, equal to. Greater than, less than, equal to. Do you know these symbols? Very good. For 1 digit numbers, for 2 digit numbers, for 3 digit numbers. Okay. First I am going to take, see, how to read this symbol. Greater than, less than, equal to. Symbols SYMBOLS. The symbol for greater than, the symbol for less than, the symbol for equal to. Okay. Greater than, less than, equal to. Now I give you some examples. See how to use these three symbols. Numbers up to 200. That means we are going to take 1 to 200, below up to 200 only. See 75 and 125. How to compare these two numbers? See, the number which having less digit, that number is less than other number. See, this number having 3 digits, this number having 2 digits. That means 75 is small, 125 is big. Very good. Suppose 11 and 6. 11 and 6. 6 means only one digit. It has only ones. 11 means it has 2 digits. That means 11 is big, 6 is small. When we are going to compare 2 digit number with 1 digit number, 1 digit number is small, 2 digit number is big. When we are going to compare 2 digit number with 3 digit number, 3 digit number is big, 2 digit number is small. Okay? Then 75 is less than 125. 11 is greater than 6. Okay? Less digit. Which number having less digits? That number is small. More digit, that number is big. Understood? One more example. See, 178 and 89. How to compare? See, look at the digits. 1, 2, 3. This is 3 digit number. 1, 2. It is 2 digit number. 89 is 2 digit number. 178 is 3 digit number. That means 89 is small. 178 is big. Then which symbol we are going to keep in? Very good. 178 is greater than 89. 178 is greater than 89. Isn't it? 89 is less than 178. Suppose the number is, both numbers are in 3 digit. Then how to compare? 146, 172. Now see, both the numbers are 3 digit numbers only. First going, see, put the places. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay? Here 3 digits. That number also having 3 digits. How we are going to compare? First compare hundreds digit. Both having 1 and 1. Yes or no? Same numbers in the hundreds place. Both are same. Then going to compare tens place. Here 4 is there. Here 7 is there. 4 tens, 7 tens. That means 4 is less than 7. Already we know that in single digit. 4 is less than 7. That means 446 is less than 172. 446 is small, 172 is big. Another number. Suppose, see, another one. 183, 128. How to compare? See, first going to hundreds place. Hundreds place having same number, no comparison. Then goes to compare tens place number. Here 8 is there. Here 2 is there in the tens place. Then 8 is greater than 2. That means 183 is greater than 128. 183 is big. 128 is small. 144 and 144. See, hundreds numbers are same. Tens place numbers also same. Ones place numbers are so same. That means the first number and second number both are same numbers. That means first number is equal to second number. No comparison here. first number and second number both are same. That's why put the symbol equal to. Another example. Another example. See the numbers first. You look at the numbers. Whatever I wrote the numbers, you have to observe and compare. 142, 148. 142, 148. Both are 3-digit numbers. Now going to compare. Hundreds number is same. Tens number also same. Then we are going to compare ones place numbers. If you want, put the places above the given number. No problem. See, hundreds place is same. Tens place also same number. Then going to check ones place number. Here 2 is there. Here 8 is there. That means 2 is small, 8 is big. Then 142 is less than 148. This is the comparison of 3-digit numbers. Okay? Another one. 199, 194. Both are 3-digit numbers. Hundreds place number is same. Tens place also same. Then going to compare ones place. Here 9 is there in the ones place. There 4 is there. That means 9 is greater than 4. That means 199 is greater than 194. Understood? How to compare the given number? That means 199 is big. 194 is small. Understood? Suppose 75 and 175. See, this is 2-digit number. What about this? 3-digit number. Now what I teach you? Very good. 2-digit number is always less than 3-digit number. That means 75 is less than 175. Okay? 2-digit number is small, 3-digit number is big. Go to next one, Nana. Greater than, less than, equal to. Greater than, less than, equal to. See. 126, 183. In the given two numbers, which number is small, which number is big? How to identify? See, in the same rule, going to compare first hundreds. Hundreds place number is same. No comparison there. Now go to tens place. Here 2 is there. Here 8 is there. 2 is small, 8 is big. That means 126 is smaller than 183. 183 is bigger than 126. That means 126 is small, 183 is big. 126 is small, 183 is big. How to identify in the given numbers which is small, which is big? Another one. In our textbook they given exercises also. We are going to write that also. How to compare the given numbers. Okay? See. 133, 122, 111. Find out the big number among these three numbers. See. How to compare? Hundreds place having same number, then go to tens. Here 3 is there, here 2 is there, here 1 is there. 3, 2, 1. Which is the big? 3 is the big. That means 133 is big number. 133 is big number in the given numbers. Another one. 146, 164, 184. Which is the small among these three numbers? Again go through hundreds. Hundreds place numbers are same. Then going to compare tens. Here 4 is there, here 6 is there, here 8 is there. In the tens place numbers 4 is small. That means 146 is smaller than these numbers. This is small in the given numbers. This is, we are going to identify which is small, which is big. We are going to compare the given number first hundreds. If hundreds are same, go to tens place numbers compare. If tens place numbers are also same, going to compare ones place numbers. Then we are going to keeping the symbols greater than, less than, equal to easily. Okay, Nana, understood? Today also you have to practice multiplication tables of 2 to 5. Once you have to write in your notes 2 table to 5 table. Okay, Nana, take care. Bye. Thank you.